Alzheimer's disease has long been viewed as a brain disorder, but emerging research is challenging that perspective. What if I told you that it might actually be an immune system disorder? Recent studies suggest that the immune response in our bodies could play a crucial role in the development of Alzheimer's. This means that the inflammation we often associate with other diseases might also be a key player in cognitive decline. Imagine the implications. If we shift our focus from just the brain to the immune system, we could open new avenues for treatment. This could lead to therapies that not only target the symptoms but also address the underlying causes. It's a paradigm shift that could redefine how we understand and fight this devastating disease. The battle against Alzheimer's is evolving, and it's time we rethink what we know about it. A shocking revelation in Alzheimer's research. In 2006, a groundbreaking study published in Nature identified a beta-amyloid protein subtype as the root cause of Alzheimer's. However, recent investigations by science reveal that some of the data supporting this claim may have been fabricated, shaking the field to its core. This controversy gained further momentum in 2021 when the FDA approved aducanumab, a drug targeting beta-amyloid. Critics argued the evidence supporting its efficacy was inconclusive, sparking debate about whether the drug should be widely used. Amid these debates, one pressing question remains. Why has progress toward a definitive cure been so elusive? For decades, researchers have zeroed in on beta-amyloid, a naturally occurring protein in the brain that aids cell communication. When beta-amyloid accumulates into plaques, it disrupts communication between nerve cells, triggering a cascade of damage that leads to Alzheimer's symptoms. This focus on beta-amyloid has led to intense efforts to prevent its buildup, yet these strategies have yielded limited success. Critics argue that this narrow approach may have overlooked other critical pathways in understanding and treating the disease. Scientists at the Crimble Brain Institute in Toronto propose a radical rethinking of Alzheimer's. They suggest it is not solely a brain disorder, but primarily an issue with the brain's immune system. Beta-amyloid, often seen as the villain, may actually play a protective role, acting as a defense mechanism against infections. However, this defense system can go awry. Due to the striking similarities between bacterial and brain cell membranes, beta-amyloid may mistakenly attack healthy brain cells, causing damage that leads to dementia. Alzheimer's as an autoimmune disease? This misdirected immune response positions Alzheimer's within the spectrum of autoimmune diseases, where the body attacks its own cells. Although conventional autoimmune treatments might not work, researchers are exploring alternative immune-regulating strategies to develop effective therapies. Expanding the lens. Beyond the immune hypothesis, other theories link Alzheimer's to mitochondrial dysfunction, infections, or abnormal metal handling in the brain. These diverse perspectives highlight the complexity of the disease and the need for multifaceted research. Every 3 seconds, someone in the world develops dementia. That's over 50 million people grappling with a disease that doesn't just affect memory, but also the very fabric of families and communities. Alzheimer's is more than a medical issue. It's a looming socio-economic crisis that demands our attention. We need innovative solutions that go beyond the lab. Yes, scientific breakthroughs are vital, but they must be paired with a deep understanding of the human experience. It's about enhancing the quality of life for patients and their caregivers, ensuring they feel seen, heard, and valued. A world where compassion drives research, where every discovery is a step toward not just understanding the disease, but enriching lives. By merging scientific rigor with heartfelt care, we can ignite hope for millions waiting for answers. Together, we can transform the narrative around Alzheimer's, making it one of resilience and compassion.